Hi everyone, I am Ankita from Anytube. If you are looking for some Assamese traditional content, then you are in the right place. This video is all about Assamese laru and pitha. So without getting further any delay, let's get started. In Assam, pitha and larus are each as snacked with a cup of tea. These are totally typical and tastier than any other snack. For the pitha, we are soaked some sticky rice in the water one night before so that it will be easy to make rice flour. After that night, in the morning, we have to squeeze all the water from the rice and let it air dry. After dried a little bit, it's time to make the main ingredient, rice flour. In Assam, we used dheki for make rice flour, which is traditional instrument for this process. Dheki is also used for making rice, rice flakes and many more ingredients. Basically, dheki is made from wood and using dheki is lots of hard work and fun. After making rice flour, now it's time for coconut. In a traditional crusher called rukoni in Assamese, we have to crush coconuts as per the quantity depends on how much pithas or larus you have to make. Crushing coconuts is also very hard. After this process, now time to the final step. But before that, I used crushed coconut as my camera break. It is most tasty snack. Okay, let's continue to the video. Now it's time to stir fry the ingredient like coconut and some jaggery. You can use sugar as well, but we use jaggery, which is a very best sweetener for pithas, and stir fry it, and after that it is the main process. In a patsoro, which is made from clay, we have to make pitha, but in this video we are trying different patsoro which is made from aluminium, and then processes began. We Assamese love to eat pitha and laru, so in any special occasion like bihu, wedding and sometimes in our birthdays, we used to make them as snacks. By the way, the whole process of making pitha is very hard and time taking. Our another snack is narikolar laru. We used to make different types of laru as well, but for today it's coconut and semolina laru. For laru, the main ingredient is coconut and we have to crush it. After crushing it, stir fry it with sugar. But before it we have to roast the semolina as well. And all the ingredient you have to mix and make some larus with your hands. This is the final look of laru and pitha. Is not it beautiful and tastier and delicious looking snack? Do try this recipe now. I hope you found this video informative. If yes, then do like this video and of course share with your friends and family. And if you want to try this recipe, then what are you waiting for? Do this. Make it, taste it and click some pictures with the recipe, and don't forget to share with me on my Instagram handle, and this is my Instagram handle. Okay, then we will see in the next video, but to subscribe the channel to never miss any update from us. Till then, stay happy and spread love. Bye. Bye.